is a graduate of the FBI National Academy. His last official assignment plan, organizing, facilitating, was with the CISD for the 102nd State Police personnel involved in the Branch Davidian investigation. Whew, just got chills. In Waco, Texas. So please help me welcome Marx Howell.
Thank you for doing it. Appreciate it. Do you want this off or on? Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to express my appreciation to you for selecting this seminar to attend. Some of you in here have been in my seminars in the past. Some of you have not. For those who haven't, I can tell you right now that I lecture at 90 miles an hour. I occasionally gust to 120. And if you can get past this accent, see, I'm from upstate New York. Where are y'all from? Once we get past this accent, I'm going to give you something you can take home and start using Monday for one of about 3 reasons: to improve your services that you provide to people, to increase your income, or to further develop a stress management program to add dollars to your income every year. Now let me tell you something. I talk to a lot of people every single year. They want to go to seminars, and I do too, and I want to put on seminars that makes me $12,000 and $15,000 on one-night stands. I can tell you right now, I've never had very successful one-night stands in the seminar business, but that's what everybody wants to know about. Let me tell you right now, is there anybody in here who would not want to add $6,000 to the top of your income for the next 12 months? You can, I guarantee you can do that if you will use these techniques. You can probably exceed that if you want to, using some of the information that I'm going to provide to you. Is there anybody in here who does not have a handout item? The handout items look like this. We'll refer to that from time to time. You don't need to pick it up and start reading it because I will explain it to you. These are sort of the areas that we want to look at as we go through the presentation. The length of seminars that you can conduct, the fees that you can charge, the development of a program, testing that program, marketing, signing contracts with people, and actual implementation where you won't be out there doing them for nothing in the future. So those are basically the areas that we want to move through. As we go through this, I'm going to cover the 5 P's formula. How many of you in here use the 5 P's formula for success? It is a very effective model that you can follow. When you look at conducting a training seminar, there's certain things that you need to consider. One of them is that you need to be sensitive to the needs of the people who are attending your seminar. That is very important. You need to be flexible and willing to work with their agenda as well as your own agenda. But let me tell you something. You do not want to get up there and conduct a seminar and allow somebody to take it away from you. It's very important that you not do that. You've got to maintain control of it. You want them to see our relationship as a partnership, and that I am not arrogant and condescending. You want to establish rapport with these individuals that you're working with, and you want them to know that you're a fun person. And I would encourage you to add a little bit of humor to any presentation that you make. It is very important. However, humor is like salt. If you add too much to it, it's not very tasteful. So you need to keep that in mind. But those are sort of the areas that we're going to want to look at as we go through here. I think